And of course, a lot of the Royal Navy vessels, the hunter-killer corvettes that go after submarines who want to move silently through the water, have now got bubbles down the side of the ship, and they've realised it makes them quieter as they come to the water. From this guy. And all the new wind turbines that cover the Highlands have all got a feathered edge like this on the blades to make them quieter as they chop up the wildlife. It's so thoughtful. Now, I'm not teasing this guy. This is what he likes to do. This is like a dog with a ball or a stick. And of course, it's a little bit of exercise, but it keeps him fit. And every time he makes a turn, I'll bring him back in again. And then up here. Now, this guy weighs 2.5 pounds, and he eats more food every day than that eagle owl. Because this guy has to work hard, so he uses a lot of fuel. Whereas the eagle owl's a couch potato. Oh. I remember the eagle owl spends 99% of its time. Hey! Oh! And the eagle owl spends. Hey! If I shout, he turns. I don't want him going too far out, because if he goes too far out, then he comes back a little bit too fast. I'm trying to give you all a nice, easy photo opportunity. You never get it, you're rubbish with them. Now, I've got to keep watching which way he's coming back from. And again, this time I'll let him catch this lure. Here we go.